Ready to upgrade your cleaning routine? Our countdown of the best robot vacuum and mop combos is here, and these smart solutions promise floor scrubbing freedom you never knew you needed. From precision mopping to hands-free sweeping, these robots handle the mess so you don't have to. Whether you have pets, hardwood, or tile, this list covers every scenario and budget. Stick around to see which model hits the sweet spot between powerful suction, smart mapping, and real-time mop control. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that being said, let's begin. At number 10, we have Q10 Pro Robot Vacuum. In a crowded apartment, this machine stands out with a self-emptying dock that snaps debris away after every run, keeping the living space tidy with minimal hands-on maintenance. Its LiDAR-based navigation builds an accurate map of walls, doors, and furniture, letting it plan efficient routes and avoid already cleaned zones via virtual barriers in the companion app. The two-in-one vacuum and mop system tackles dry dust and light mopping, while a strong suction core pulls in pet hair from carpet fibers and hard floors alike. Multi-floor mapping stores distinct layouts for households with stairs, and boost modes give additional sting for stubborn debris. Scheduling, no-go zones, and selective room cleaning empower busy owners to customize every cleaning cycle. Compared to the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop, which I have included as number 9 on this list, the Q10 Pro delivers tighter mapping and more reliable self-emptying capabilities to simplify weekly maintenance. At number 9, we have XIEBro Robot Vacuum and Mop. This model emphasizes versatility with a solid two-in-one setup and a reasonably capable navigation system that adapts to different room shapes. It glides over hardwood and low-pile carpet, collecting crumbs, pet hair, and light dust with two-stage filtration that helps reduce allergen exposure. The mop function covers sticky spills on tile and sealed surfaces, while an app provides remote start, zone cleaning, and scheduling. A compact charging dock keeps the charging station out of the way, and the unit's slim profile allows access under most sofas and frontline furniture. Its strong suction is competitive for the price, though the mapping can be less precise than premium options. Compared to the Q10 Pro Robot Vacuum, which I have included as number 10 on this list, XIEBro offers a broader feature mix at a more approachable price. At number 8, we have eufy RoboVac Omni C20. This Omni series model brings hands-free emptying into a smaller footprint and a more compact dock that still handles daily debris with confidence. The chassis stays quiet while delivering solid suction across bare floors and carpet edges, aided by a thoughtful brush layout that minimizes hair tangling. Its navigation relies on robust sensors and boundary mapping that create logical cleaning lanes for efficient coverage. The mop module adds value for light smoothing on tile and vinyl, while the optional app controls let you start a cycle from your sofa. Maintenance is straightforward, with easily accessible dustbin and filter parts. Compared to the XIEBro Robot Vacuum and Mop, which I have included as number 9 on this list, the Omni C20 excels in quiet operation and dock integration for a tidy corner of the room. At number 7, we have iRobot Roomba Plus 405. This Roomba model emphasizes a classic iRobot experience with straightforward upfront setup and reliable cleaning routines. The Plus variant typically includes an automatic dustbin emptying dock, easing weekly maintenance and supporting longer cleaning sessions without manual trash trips. Its cleaning system handles tile, hardwood, and carpet transitions smoothly, while the navigation adapts to obstacle avoidance and room layouts thanks to a pragmatic mapping approach. Edge cleaning and brush design work to scoop along baseboards and corners, reducing missed spots. The companion app delivers scheduling and cleaning reports, plus remote diagnostics. Compared to the eufy RoboVac Omni C20, which I have included as number 8 on this list, this Roomba stands out for longevity in mixed-use homes and more hands-off operation. At number 6, we have Omni C20 Robot Vacuum. This budget-friendly option proves you don't have to break the bank for convenient automation. It pairs simple mapping with reliable solid suction that handles everyday debris and pet hair on hard floors. The Omni uses a practical auto-dock system and straightforward scheduling, making routine cleaning predictable without a steep learning curve. It includes boundary sensors to avoid stairs and avoid no-go zones, helping protect fragile furniture and cords. Battery life supports mid-sized homes with multiple rooms, and the maintenance cycle remains pretty approachable with easy-to-clean brushes and filters. Compared to the iRobot Roomba Plus 405, which I have included as number 7 on this list, the Omni is more affordable and yields quicker returns, though with fewer advanced sensors. At number 5, we have eufy RoboVac E25. Popular mid-range pick, the E25 leans on strong suction, a slim body, and reliable edge cleaning that reaches tight nooks and under furniture. Its filtration system traps fine dust, while the brush design minimizes hair wrap, which helps households with medium to long pet fur. Navigation uses a robust set of sensors to map rooms and create efficient cleaning routes, while the app supports scheduling, targeted room cleaning, and on-demand cleaning from anywhere. The dock is user-friendly and easy to empty, reducing mess during maintenance. Compared to the Unanel Earthly robot vacuum, which I have included as number 6 on this list, the E25 offers more aggressive suction and a nicer balance of features for frequent cleans. At number 4, we have iRobot Pro Robot Vacuum. This option leans into value with a capable core vacuum that handles daily messes across hard floors and carpet transitions, plus a mop module for routine light mopping. Navigation tends to be practical rather than luxurious, delivering stable coverage and decent mapping to avoid repeated passes. Its brush configuration is tuned to pick up crumbs, cereal, and pet hair effectively, while the filter system reduces fine dust. The app provides on-demand control, schedules, and virtual barriers to keep off-limits zones clear. Maintenance remains approachable, with accessible dustbin access and easy-to-replace parts. Compared to the eufy RoboVac E25, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the iRobot Pro prioritizes affordability and a straightforward user experience. At number 3, we have Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Shark's embedded cleaning system emphasizes strong suction and a practical mop setup that pairs well with carpet boosts for dense areas. The navigation tends to be reliable across room layouts, and the RoboVac's brush roll design helps manage pet hair without excessive tangling. The mop head covers larger surface areas for quick smoothing of sticky spots, while the app offers remote start, scheduling, and diagnostic alerts. Edge and corner cleaning receive decent attention, and the overall footprint glides efficiently around furniture. Compared to the iRobot Pro Robot Vacuum, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Shark model emphasizes hybrid mopping with robust cleaning modes for mixed-floor homes. At number 2, we have iRobot A30 Pro Robot Vacuum. This newer A30 Pro line improves on mapping, battery optimization, and zone cleaning, delivering solid performance across small to mid-sized homes. It navigates more efficiently, reduces redundant passes, and maintains decent suction for everyday debris, pet hair, and dust on both tile and carpet. The mop module supports light wipe-downs and smoother floors, while a compact design makes it easier to tuck under low furniture. The app control and voice assistants allow convenient starting and pausing from anywhere, which is helpful for busy households. Compared to the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the A30 Pro focuses more on longer battery life and more precise routing for multi-room cleans. At number 1, we have Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This top pick bundles robust suction, efficient mopping, and reliable self-emptying compatibility into one flexible package that suits most homes. It maps rooms with clarity, creates efficient cleaning paths, and adapts to furniture layouts as it learns the space. Integration with smart assistants and mobile apps makes scheduling a breeze, while the auto-dock and recharge feature ensures minimal downtime between sessions. The mop function handles everyday smudges on tiles and sealed floors, and a true carpet boost helps pull dirt from fiber. Maintenance remains straightforward and predictable, with easily accessible dustbins and replacement parts. Compared to the Q10 Pro Robot Vacuum, which I have included as number 10 on this list, this top model prioritizes long-term convenience and a broader feature set for all-in-one cleaning.